Got him. All right, so let's go over today the connecting of your Quick Connect to your tapered leader. So what you're going to do is you're going to take standard tapered leader, 9 foot, and you're going to cut it back to about 7 feet. And what that does is it allows this 0.3 grams Quick Connect to be able to transfer the energy properly so that the fly lays out nice and smooth. And so I'm going to connect on a Chubby Chernobyl. I've got about 3 feet of 5X tippet connected. That's about what we cut off of a 5X 9.5 foot leader. Click that on, and there's a lot of concern or questions about, does that affect your cast? Well, let's go take a look. Got him. He's a little guy, but